Pakistani government has added to the woes of inflationary people already bearing the brunt of record inflation by approving a massive increase in base tariffs of electricity. Federal cabinet gives final nod with a circulation summary after NEPRA proposed to raise electricity prices earlier this month. With the latest surge, the base tariff of electricity increased by up to Rs 7.50 per unit, which will add thousands in electricity bills every month. The top slab of tax increase is for those power consumers who are using between 450 to 700 units per month. The new rates will take effect from July 1st as government issues a notification following a decision by National Electric Power Regulatory Authority. The recent taxes allowed the government to shift the burden of power subsidy, as IMF called on the government to raise power tariff along with other measures.